Good afternoon. Today I want to talk about homework assignments or the end of the chapter review questions. How do I want to actually receive those? And this would actually be good to pay attention to, because how are you going to Dropbox them into the specific chapter 1, chapter 2 questions, the 3 and 6, and then 22 for the first unit. And I know most classes, if we were in person, we'd actually have you turn in the homework assignment. So I could actually review and grade the work that you actually do by hand. Since this is online, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to scan it and then copy it and then put it up online. And so what my expectations are if you want to do that, if you want to work it by hand, and if you want to scan it and then Dropbox that's very acceptable. But on average, what I assume I'll get is a Word document. And for the drill problems, where it's just basic math, you can actually just put, question 2 answers this, question 4 answers this. So for the drill problems only, you can just post answer only. Now if it's basically a division problem, I want the remainder written, not 0.8675, because that means you did it on a calculator. You didn't do it by hand. So I want, remainder of 49, or remainder of, so whatever the remainder is. Another issue to address is once you get into the word problems, I actually would like some simple math equations, what you did to work it out. So if we can turn together, and I'm just going to do one simple question. It's actually chapter 1. We'll go 57. Let's do 57. And it says, Lee Willis is professor of business. He has 18 students in accounting, 26 in number 2, 22 in intro to computers, 23 in business law, 29 in an intro to business. So what's the total number of students Professor Willis has in class, especially after 12 withdrawal? So how many students will he have after that? So I'm going to do the math, and it's going to show that he has 118 students. So I'd like you to put 118 and then 12 withdrawal, so just minus 12 equals 106 students. So on the word problems, actually kind of show your work, but you don't have to show every single aspect of your work. You don't have to show 18 plus 26 plus 22 plus 23 plus 29. You can just show 118 minus 12. So hopefully that clarifies a little bit of expectations on the homework review questions.